This 2020 Grand Design Solitude 310GK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 34 feet 10 inches in length and features Sleeps 4, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, stove-top burner, refrigerator, TV, awning, microwave, slide-out, smoke detector, air conditioning, and 93 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Grand Design Solitude 310GK is 12,100 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.